the positive vibes are coming because of the workshop.
Mm-hmm.
7 days. So there are most of the things. In fact, what I didn't realize earlier. I realized earlier, but I couldn't present it. That I'm thankful to a lot of things.
Mm-hmm.
And when I started making a list, so everything came on the brain. So when I was typing something, the next thought automatically was flowing out. So it was like all the thoughts, like a brainstorming thing, which I was able to recollect and go behind so many years back, and whatever we have achieved or whatever we're thankful for, and we
Mm-hmm.
do not acknowledge that, and we
Right.
always say that we are failures, or sometimes when we talk about the success workshop, so we say that we are always day 6 always says that you have achieved so much now, and always we try to tell ourselves that others are doing better than us, but what till now we have achieved was also commendable, which we are recognizing now.
Mm-hmm.
And for the healthy things, the healthy body we have, because of which we are able to do a lot of things. We
Mm-hmm.
have a lot of issues related to, like for example, maybe some people, because of the postures, have back pain, neck pain, we complain that. But
Mm-hmm.
there are other things that we are in good shape, that we can go out anytime, we can drive our cars. So there were a lot of things, we can play sports, and we are not like those who are suffering from chronic diseases like liver
Right.
problems, health, heart problems. We are not like, we are the luckiest ones who are not suffering from that.
Right.
So we should be thankful to God and thanking in the, we actually the workshop which was, you said, where the parents, we try to always uh, do not count what they have done for us, and we complain,
Mm.
and for the things that we don't like, but the things that they do are more grateful for, because of which we are able to concentrate on our work and do it freely, and do, in fact, whatever till now we have achieved or come here at this stage. Maybe it's our education which they, because of which they paid fees, and now we are here, so we should be thankful for that. Otherwise we won't be earning so much.
Absolutely. Absolutely.